Hello guys, this is Coach Foster. Let me bring up my PowerPoint for you. We are on PE, of course we're on PE, but we're on PE 11, so this will be November 2nd, November 3rd, or November 4th, depending on when you have your class, okay? And the name of the game and the name of the lesson is Zigzag Soccer. All right. So now we're going to look at our unit is called kicking. Our standard is number 1, motor skills. Our learning target is to successfully play the game and have fun. Our higher order thinking question is, what is the secret to being successful in this game? Which I'll get into a little more later. All right, now let's get right to it. How to play. So you're going to watch me, get my pointer here, watch me as I demonstrate the game, okay? So I'm going to show you how to play, and then I'll have you play in just a minute, okay? So this is how you play. What you'll need for this game, and I'm going to make myself bigger so you can see what's going on. What you will need for this game is some kind of container. I'm using a bowl, but you could use a basket, you could use a box, just something that you're going to be putting the sock balls in, okay? And you're going to need 5 sock balls. A sock ball is just a rolled up pair of socks, and you can see this one's not even a very good ball, but most of them are a little better. But it's just a rolled up pair of socks, okay? And you're going to be kicking that, okay? So I'm going to show you how to play, and of course you can go get these things in a minute after I show you how to play and I tell you to start, okay? So this is how you play. So you're trying to get points, okay? Every sock that goes in the bowl is a point, all right? So I'm going to dribble the first pair of socks around the second pair, and that's a zigzag, right? So I'm going this way now. This is my zag. I already zigged. So now I'm going around the second pair, I'm going around the third pair, I'm going around the fourth pair, and of course I'm dribbling the fifth pair, okay? So I'm going around, now I'm coming back, same thing, I've got to dribble in a zigzag pattern, all right? And then, when I get back, I'm going to try to put the sock between, the roll of socks between my feet and go up like this, and it goes in the bowl, okay? Now I'll do the same thing again. So I'm doing my zigzag pattern with my second pair of socks around the other 3 that are still left. And it's coming unrolled a little bit while the pair I'm kicking. That's okay. That's how that goes. It's staying together though, so that's all right. And of course, if it comes unrolled, just put it back. But I get back to my bowl and I jump it in, hold on to it with my feet and jump it in. And then I do it again with this pair, making my zigzag pattern. And here I come back around. When I get around this one, I just dribble straight to the bowl as fast as I can, jump it in. All right, and then I've got 2 more, so I'm gonna, this one, all I have to do is go around the other one. All right, and then here I come back to my bowl and jump it in. Didn't get it in. Got to jump it again. It's in. All right. And then this one, all I have to do is just dribble it back because there's no socks left except this one. Okay. I try to jump it in. Nope. I try again. Yes. All right. Now, I've got my bowl full of socks, right? So every sock is 1 point. So I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 points, okay? And then I just put my bowl back and I take all my socks, my rolls, and my sock balls, I put them back and I play again, okay? And then every bowl that goes in the sock, you keep counting up, okay? So I already have 5, so if I get another sock in the bowl, that's 6, another 7, and just keep counting, okay? So what I want you to do now is you're going to stop the video and you're going to play for about 30 minutes and see how many points you can get, okay? And then after 30 minutes, then you're going to start the video again, okay? So go ahead and pause the video, go get the materials you need, play the game, and then start the video again after 30 minutes, okay? So do that now. All right, I'm assuming you went ahead and did that. You played the game, you got your materials, you played the game for 30 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and go on to the next part of our lesson, which is always our higher order thinking question. So I'm going to make it so you can see that. Higher order thinking question, which is what HOT stands for. What is the secret to being successful at this game? Okay, so you're going to talk to the adult that you're with about that. What worked for you? What did you do that made you successful at this game? Okay, that's what that means, all right? What did you do to do a good job in this game? Okay, and how many points did you get? Okay, so you can talk to the grown-up about that you're with as well, okay? So great job today. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you next time for Online PE.